Welcome back to my channel. It's time for me to unbox another Curiosity box. If you didn't know what a Curiosity box is, it's a science experiment subscription box aimed for 6 to 11 year olds. Hi, I'm Poppy and you're watching Poppy Does Science. So let's take a look at what's inside this month's box. Oh. Oh, there's not like normally the cards that tell you what it's about. There's not one of them actually for once. That's a bit different. Alright, so I've got usual stickers. What's this? One of the postcards again as usual. And then Anna Williams. It says that she's a forensic anthropologist, which means she helps the police to work out what has happened if they find a dead body or some bones. That's such a cool job. That would be so much fun. Alright, I picked out the first one then. Bouncing bullets. Your mission. Recreate the ballistic test used by police. Oh, this looks cool. So it gives you like the gelatin stuff. Oh, it gives you like the bullets. Oh, this looks really cool, this. They've done something like this on Mythbusters before, and I remember because I absolutely love Carrie Byron. She even made a video for us once, and it was like the best thing ever, and I loved it. So that's a cool. I like that. That's a cool one. And then what's this? Oh, detecting dastardly deeds. Your mission: learn how to detect who did the dastardly deed using fingerprints and UV light. Oh, this is cool. It's like a fingerprint one. Oh, I like this. They're giving you like the cocoa powder and everything. That's so cool for like the finger dust powder and stuff. And the brush. Oh, this is really cool. I like that as well. Also got last two things. Cryptic chromatography, yeah. You are the detective on the case and need to use the following steps to match the pen to the kidnapper and free David Attenborough. Oh, that's really cool, that. So that looks like more of a mystery thing. That must be what this evidence bag's for. This is a really cool kit. I like this one. So I think I'm going to do the bouncing bullet one because that one looks really fun. For the first thing I need to do for this experiment is to make my ballistic gel. So I read it through and it said you need some boiling water to make the gelatin. So I've got to take these out of it. They give you 4 sheets as well, which is good. Right, so I'm going to pour it in first. There. And then I'm going to add a sheet and then mix it in. Oh, this is really hard to do. I wasn't expecting it to be hard. Oh gosh. There. Oh no, I'm not going there. Got it. Got to mix it all in properly now. Now that it's all dissolved, I just need to oil the tub before I put the gelatin in it. Ugh. Now that it's all oiled, I'm going to pour it in. Now I just have to wait for 4 hours for it to harden in the fridge. Now that my gelatin's set, it's time to do the bullet test. I'm going to do it with the bigger bullet first. I've made this thing so it's like higher and it's easier for us to do, right? Oh, it just bounced. Well, this might not be high enough then, I'm not sure because it didn't go through or anything. So I'm going to try it from a higher height. So I've adjusted the height so it'll be a greater drop. So let's see if this time it'll work. Oh God. Oh gosh, that went through. Well, I think it went through like the whole way. Gosh, I wasn't expecting that. That worked really well then. So now let's try it with the smaller bowl. What? I don't know what happened there. I can't see it. It looks like it's actually gone into the same hole as the one before, as the bigger one. That's cool though. It obviously mustn't have gone as far through the gel because with the bigger one I heard it hit the tile, but this time it didn't. So let's pick it up and take a closer look. So it looks like the smaller bullet is actually landed right on top of like the bigger one, which is really odd because I like moved it around. I changed the jelly around so it wouldn't land on it. So I'm going to try and see if I can get it out so I can do it again. It's made a really small hole as well. Got them. Didn't make too much of a mess. I've reset my gel, so let's try it again. Whoa, that went in. I didn't even hear it. It hasn't gone fully in, but it's gone in straight in the middle. I was reading the sheet and it says that they use this, like, what was it? Forensic scientists use it to compare guns when they find a bullet but no gun on a crime scene. So they compare them to see like what gun was used, and I find that that's really cool. Like that's a cool way to test it. Thanks for watching, and all the links for Curiosity Box will be in the description down below. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe. Bye!